Hi, I'm Kerry Mayhew with Phoenix Restoration Equipment. Today I want to talk to you about an update that Phoenix has done over the years on the R200 and the R175. And what this is a heat exchanger support. Over time, due to the temperatures and certain conditions that we use these dehumidifiers in, it will cause the heat exchanger to sag, creating perhaps a large opening in the back of the heat exchanger and also in the front between the heat exchanger and the front cover. So we came up with these supports that keep that from happening any further. First thing you do is once you take the front cover off, we have to remove the heat exchanger. And to do that, you could either remove the foam tape from the unit itself, or you can actually use a razor knife and cut it here and here and simply pivot the heat exchanger out of the way. Next thing, as you can see here, the seal is compromised that seals the heat exchanger to the upper housing. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this seal. And also, if you look here at the bottom, this seal and this seal are also compromised, so we're going to remove those too. And to do so, just simply use a needle nose pliers or anything comparable and peel away the seal from the heat exchanger support in the back. And also we'll remove the one in the front that's attached to the heat exchanger port / drain pan. And these should peel away fairly easily. Alright, the heat exchanger support kit will consist of 2 angle pieces, 1 cross piece, and 2 sets of seals. The black seals are for the heat exchanger supports where the heat exchanger sits. The other 2 seals are for here and on the front cover. It also comes with 4 pop rivets. First thing you want to do is fasten the heat exchanger support crossover to the angled piece. Next, we'll lay the heat exchanger support between the angled aluminum pieces and the existing support. Next, we'll take the other angled piece and put it between the plastic support / drain pan and the aluminum angles here. Next, using an 1/8 inch drill bit, drill through the plastic drain pan into the hole of the support, making sure not to angle down. If you angle down, you stand a chance of hitting the coils. So if you hold the drill level, drill straight through, and again using a pop rivet gun and an 1/8 inch pop rivet, go through the drain pan, the support, and also the cross member. Once that's done, I'm going to install 2 more rivets, one in the center and one near the end. Once the heat exchanger is in place, take one of the black seals, lay it across the back. And the other black seal across the front. Next, take one of the gray seals, and fasten it to the upper housing. And next, we'll reinstall the heat exchanger. And to do so, start in the front, make sure that the heat exchanger is sitting behind this ledge of the drain pan. Once it's on that ledge, push down, ensuring that the heat exchanger is underneath these two tabs. Next, it may be necessary to replace this seal, which seals the front cover to the front of the heat exchanger. If this seal was not here, it can create a huge leak, causing the unit to go into defrost prematurely. If this seal is not compromised, it is okay not to replace it. If you do have to replace it, just simply take the new seal, start at the end, and fasten it to the front cover. Next, finally, replace the front cover onto the dehumidifier.